Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today's video I'm going to teach you how to install Minecraft in 2025. And the first thing you need to do is just go to your browser and then you write T-Launcher, and then you'll click on the first link that you find, which is this link. Then you're going to click on it. So actually you can see we have two versions, and the first version, which is the Launchbook edition, and the second is the launcher, which is normally what we install in our PC or laptop. So we click on this, and then you're going to click on the Windows option since using Windows, or you can choose the one that you best prefer. So you are going to click on that and it starts downloading. So you're going to click on the app and run as administrator. Then you're going to click on yes. So as you can see, guys, it's more like installation of process of Windows. So here is the path of the game. So you're going to hit on continue, accept all the terms and conditions. So click on continue. You don't have to click on this. So as you can see, the installation is happening in real time. So as you can see, the download has already started to take place. So as you can see, there is another download happening in place in order for the Minecraft to be possible. Once you reach to this particular page, you are going to click on accounts. And once you've been brought here, you are going to select this third option here. And then you can select a username, your default username, or whether you want to start an account. Or the next thing is you need to select the current account used, whether it's a TL launcher or an official Minecraft. All now you have to do is to save the account, and all you have to do now is to install the app, and you should be good to go. And that is all about Minecraft. If you found this content useful, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video.